is young. This is Peachy. The number 28 Peachy is so beautiful. It's kind of coral colors. And it's so nice and bright. And guess what? You know what? I think I don't have to do whole nails. I want to do just angle like that. What do you think?
Yeah.
Look at that. You can just doing it like this. Oh, nice. So for a lot of you just tuning in, thank you so much for tuning in. Oh, I'm missing the flowers. I did 2 coat of Peaches. Number 28 is from Glitz Gel Polish collection. And each layer I keep for 60 seconds. And then I apply the iHo Premium Transfer Foil Gels and keep for 30 seconds. That's why you see it stick it on really, really well. I really appreciate that because that does my work so much easier. Look at what I want to do. Look at that, it transfer. Look at that. Oh, this is really cool though.
Yeah,
You don't have,
it.
you just don't have to do all of them. Should I do another one? Maybe I should do one more. I start having fun with this, can you tell?
Yeah, and I think the noodle are talking. Dom noodle's talking.
Dom Noodle talking? Must be Elon. Elon is so adorable. Elon's gonna be our next top nail artist. So I'm gonna lay this one back up. I'm in love with this foil. This is so the bomb. Oh, I feel like really artist though.
That's it. Alright.
Yep. So now we're gonna put some crystal placements on it. How about that? Okay. First step, we are going to do condensed glue gels and really thick density. Sorry, my jars have some glitter because I do that encapsulates, and you can see little glitters on the bottoms of the jar, but it doesn't affect anything at all because it's designed to like, hey, I find a new house, I'm gonna stay right here. So floating on the top, you see that I use really littles, but not too thin. All right, and then you are gonna floating the top coat right on the top before you hear anything else. And you can see that it's not even, which is normal because condensed glue gel is really thick density. And then now we are going to float your top coat on the top.
Yep. So Kim requests the radiant green.
Radiant green. This one?
Yep.
This one?
The other one. Yeah.
The other one? Oh, nice. Okay. The square green. Okay. Oh, the pink. Oh, that's just so cute. All right, so we're gonna do that one right here. You can do wherever you would like. They are so adorable. So here's a really tip and trick. I always start with the centerpiece first, and then I start using SS around with the centerpiece. You know what I did? I was looking at all my pictures back like years ago when I start with nails and crystal placements, and I'm dying and love to learn the new crystal placement and look at the crystal placement back then and say, oh my gosh, it's just so awesome. We're always learning and then start from somewhere, right? So it's really appreciated. It's a lot of cool new products. It's bring us close together, and so I can have an opportunity to share with all of us. And thanks so much for inspiring me so much. Watching a lot of your beautiful works was really inspiring me as well. Really cool. And then you can add more crystals as you go. If you feel like you want to add more, do it. So You don't have to limit yourself, limit your creation. You can add beads on and go along. Here's an important and a really important tip. When you're doing it, just play your centerpiece first, and then you can using any of others other SS, and then the beads and the frames around with the design.
So Christina, unfortunately, because for Canada, we in the US it's still count international, so we cannot offer free shipping on that. But you do still get the 20% off. So what a lot of Canadian customers do is they will buy enough, so the discount will offset the shipping cost.
Yeah, thank you so much for the Canadians client too. It was like so amazing. And then we can add one more. You know what you can do is you can definitely do gold frames or silver, however you would like. I'm gonna add some pink on. Pink for SS. This is SS4. I'm gonna add some gold beads on that. You can alternate doing gold beads and silver beads. All right. Very cool, stunning. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. If you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds.